On Thursday, October 5, 2023, overall the markets today were down slightly. The Dow Jones was down almost 10 points, minus 0.03%, to finish the day at 33,119.57. The NASDAQ was down almost 17 points, minus 0.12%, to finish the day at 13,219.83. The S&P 500 was down almost 6 points, minus 0.13%, to finish the day at 4,258.19. S&P 500 closes slightly lower as traders brace for Friday's big jobs reports. Expect a downward bias in the markets for the next 24 hours. Expect a risk-off environment the next 24 hours where the Canadian dollar will have a strong bias to the downside and the Japanese yen will have a strong upwards bias. The strongest currency pair over the next 24 hours with a strong downward bias will be the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, followed in second place with a downward bias the Australian dollar, United States dollar. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.